With over 350 options, UCR has a vibrant community of student organizations that you can join today. Every Wednesday, hundreds of student-ran organizations gather around the bell tower. Here's a great opportunity to network or even make new friends by observing all the organization UCR offers. There is a wide range of organizations from academic, arts, cultural, recreational, and many more. Can't find the right org for you? No problem.
You can visit studentlife.ucr.edu/registration to scroll through hundreds of student orgs that might not be tabling. And if you want to start your own, you can set up an appointment with a student organization advisor by calling Student Life at 951-827-7344 or by emailing ucrlife@ucr.edu.
With so many opportunities available, students can find or start a community that's perfect for them.